Come on in.
My name is Adam Miller and I'm from Concord, North Carolina. We're sitting in my house that was built in 1906 and we've been renovating it to make it our dream home. My wife Jessica and I have been married for 11 years. We have 5 kids and we love where we live. I started renovating houses about 12 years ago, mostly because I was broke. Jessica and I would buy these historic homes, we'd restore them, I would do the work and she would design them, and we got really good at it, and that's what we do now. My wife grew up in the house we're living in, and a few years back her parents decided they wanted to sell it. So we decided to purchase the house, but with one caveat. I got to document the story of renovating it because I love a good story.
One thing you have to understand if you're working on old houses, the roof is the most important thing. Once you do these repairs, you can take as much time as you want.
We rebuilt the entire porch, including columns that are over 30 feet tall.
The goal with this house was to look as original as possible. We even oiled up this door instead of replacing it. We refinished all the wood floors and we kept all these chandeliers.
All this woodwork is original to the house. Jessica's mom actually painted this mural 50 years ago.
My wife collects a lot of vintage and eclectic finds, so most stuff in our house is going to be decorated with thrifted or salvaged items. We don't want this house to feel like a museum, so we try to layer it with things that we're interested in, even if they look a little bit modern. My favorite room has to be this den. Even though it's very sophisticated and masculine, it is actually used for our children's playroom. And we can keep it looking like this because we hide their toys in wardrobes and different baskets. And this kitchen was a labor of love. I built this island and painted it green. We went with the quartz top for people to eat on, but we ended up doing a soapstone backsplash and perimeter cabinets. And they're awesome because they had this really cool vintage experience.
One of the most challenging parts of renovating this house is just keeping the old character in it. Because you want to modernize and make it comfortable for your family, but you also want to honor the house and its history. When I restore something that has a long, deep history, it is one of the greatest feelings in the world. Where somebody says, this is a tear down house, we have to get rid of it, we're gonna build something new, to come in and make it one of the best houses in town or one of the best houses on the block is just, it's a great feeling.